Heyo friendos, welcome back to my channel. In just a moment we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of July. It just arrived. I can't wait to see what's inside. I hope you guys are excited as well. Alright guys, just stay tuned. So friendos, let's open her up and see what mysteries abound. Ta-da! Alright, Stone Street Soap House Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream. Yay! I've never heard of this brand. I saw that this was going to be one of the options. I did not pick this one. It smells good though. It smells okay. I smell sandalwood. Maybe patchouli. Not sure. It is made in England. I just don't put on body creams. I don't do lotions a lot, so this is not that exciting for me. Next up we have Outre by me. This is shampoo plus CBD and condition plus CBD. Products for my hair. Lord knows I need a good conditioner. So this says it's for fine, medium, and thick hair. Oh, it smells like mango, but like a peach mango done wrong, like sickeningly sweet. They both smell the same. I do not like how this smells, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm probably gonna look like a in this video. I'm really hoping that if I use this on my hair that that intense fragrance will dissipate, because let me tell you, this is so badly done. I work in fragrance, so I'm really picky about fragrance, just so you know. It smells cheap, it smells artificial, it smells overpowering, and it smells sickeningly sweet. Not for me. Okay, nice. So we do have some Luxy Sponges. Ooh. So these feel nice and plushy. I actually like the little two-toned design of them too. I know I have swatches on my hand. If you guys are wondering what's going on with my makeup, why is there swatches down my arm? Well, friendos, you gotta go and check out my Isamaya beauty video that I just uploaded because I just reviewed her brand new palette. And since I don't believe in taking baths anymore, I just showed up for this video like this. Okay, remember we got this in the Allure box. Not the exact same product, but this brand. Avant. This says cocoa hydrolyzed walnut wintergreen leaf extract, copper, glycerin, zinc, citric, manganese, dimethicone, panthenol. This is blue volcanic stone purifying and oxidizing cleansing gel. Do we want it to oxidize? Oh, anti-oxidizing. Sorry. It's hard to read, you guys. The bottle's transparent and the lights are bright. So yeah, the blue volcanic stone purifying and antioxidizing cleansing gel. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what to use this for. Massage cleanser onto damp skin, then rinse with warm water. What is this product supposed to do? Rich in antioxidants, cocoa helps repair skin cells and aims to neutralize harmful free radicals. Copper aims to improve skin elasticity, firmness, thickness while reducing wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. Heading to the trusty card. A mild non-drying gel. This aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed. With a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts, it helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritation. The perfect first step in your skincare regime. So apparently this normally sells for $110 because I would pay that for this. Who would pay $110 for this? Let's get real, guys. They fooled me with that first box. Okay, so this kind of smells like a jacuzzi. It's kind of neat from my sister. Okay, next we have Iconic London Multi-Use Sculpting Palette. This looks really nice. Yeah. Okay, here we are. This is what she looks like. Ooh. It's made in China. Do you guys see the spots? Like, it's kind of... I hope you guys can see this. It looks creepy. I was excited until I saw the spots. Alright, so we'll still try it out and see if my face falls off. I will say this does look better than the Aesthetica one that I got in my last box. So far, Boxycharm is setting me up to be like the contour queen. I actually really do like contouring my face. I have a fat face, so contour helps. Okay, last item of the box. We have, ladies and gentlemen, oh, look at this beautiful packaging. We have the Nude Prism palette from Lunar Beauty. And this one is, I think, their latest palette that they've come out with. Manny, where do you have your stuff made? I want to see if this looks like it's made in the same place as Jeffree's palettes. Because a while ago, someone told me that their eyeshadow palettes are made in the same lab. I don't know if that's true though. And I've never tried anything from the brand, so I don't really know if the formulation really does compare or not. Oh, it's so hard to read because it's gold. So I'm pretty excited to get this. This palette normally retails for $48. People were outraged that his palette, I think it was the Moon Spell or Love Spell, whatever it is, spell book something, the second version of it was made in China. People were actually pretty heated about that. Well, why keep doing this? Why? Like, I get that it's cheaper, but when you look at the human rights violations, how can you feel good about it? Okay. Ta-da! So the palette itself is really pretty. I think that all the shimmers look nice. I like the balance of more mattes to shimmers. For a palette like this, where you just want a really flattering look, I think that more mattes to shimmer is the way to go. Doesn't this kind of look like, what does this look like to you? Jaclyn Hill? Looks like ColourPop. Okay, I can see that. Definitely looks like it could be a ColourPop palette or like a Jaclyn palette. It feels really nice and weighty. Like, ooh, the Prism on the moon is actually really nice too. I really do like the packaging of this and the overall aesthetic. I just wish that influencers that have control over their own brands would consider not making their stuff in China. But yeah, we will review this. I know that someone asked me to review it on my channel, so we'll get around to it. And bonus for me, I handed over my credit card to my sister earlier this week. She got to pick out all sorts of things from the Boxycharm sale. The only thing that I know that I told her specifically to buy was this palette. So I'm getting yet a second one. I may end up putting that in a giveaway or I might give it to my sister. We'll see. But yeah, we racked up $125 from the sale. Can't wait to see what I get. I wanted to have that same experience of an unboxing and having that big reveal. So I let her pick out everything this time. Can't wait to see what she chose. Okay guys, I guess we should call it there. This is probably a really short one. So yeah, in one of my future videos, we'll try on some of the makeup that I've accumulated from these last two boxes. I can't wait to see what kind of quality we're getting because we are trying out new brands, like at least new brands for me. I've never tried anything out from Lunar Beauty. I've never tried out anything from Iconic London. The Outre stuff I've never tried out. So it's an exciting new chapter of our lives, friendos. I hope that you guys will tune in for future videos. Thank you all so much for choosing to spend your time here with me. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for all your love. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Okay, guys, have a phenomenal rest of your day. Bye.